Thank you so much, sir. With great pleasure, we invite our chief guest, Honorable Member of Parliament, Dr. Sasmit Patra, to address the gathering and share his thoughts. Please, sir.
Thank you so much. Dr. Kamlesh, Professor Dr. Harish Pemdeji, Medical Superintendent of Kalavati Saran Children's Hospital, New Delhi, Dr. Kaptan Singh Sherawat ji, President ICMLS, Dr. Pankaj Singh ji, General Secretary ICMLS, Mrs. Saroj Singh, Organizing Chairperson of the 5th National Conference of Indian Confederation of Medical Laboratory Science, Mr. Indresh Kumar Singh, Organizing Secretary of this conference, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I firstly thank the organizers for this wonderful conference and for taking up this very active role about the issues that are important to this profession. I do understand you have been here for 2 days. 2 दिन से आप यहाँ पर हैं? है नहीं? थक गए होंगे. जल्दी खत्म हो, घर चले. सैटरडे संडे दोनों ही यहीं पे दे दिए. कल से फिर ऑफिस चालू है. भाई खत्म करो, एटलीस्ट 1-8 घंटे शाम का मिल ही जाए. कब तक चलता रहेगा? जल्दी खत्म हो, घर जाए. मैं आपकी भावनाओं के साथ सहमत हूं. मगर मैं आपको कोई भाषण नहीं दूंगा. I'll not give you a long lecture. I'll not give you a lecture about why your profession is important. Because you know your profession is important. I won't also try to tell you why your issues need to be resolved. Because they are important issues. आपके हृदय में यह सवाल होगा कि भाई ये डॉक्टर पात्रा को क्यों बुलाया गया है? ये राज्यसभा सांसद हैं. इनका हमारे प्रोफेशन से कुछ ताल्लुक नहीं है. He is not a doctor. I'm a PhD in management, so don't get confused with the Dr. Patra. So why am I here? It's a little story that I'd like to share with you. A few months back, a friend of mine, who is a Supreme Court advocate on record, Mr. Joby Verghese, he approached me. उन्होंने कहा कि सर एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर है. आई एम ऑल्सो एन एडवोकेट एंड अ मेंबर ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन. तो वो आके मुझे बोले कि एक मैटर है, बहुत सेंसिटिव मैटर है, एंड द फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ द नेशनल अलाइड हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स आर बीइंग वायलेटेड. योर राइट्स आर बीइंग नॉट टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन. मैंने बोला क्या बात है? तो ने बोला कि आप लोगों ने, जब मैं पार्लियामेंट में था, आई केम टू पार्लियामेंट इन 2019 जुलाई. सो इन 2021 वी फॉर्म्ड अ एक्ट, NCAHP एक्ट. आप लोगों को पता है? You're all associated with that act. And in 2021 we enacted that act in parliament, trying to ensure कि आप लोगों की प्रोफेशन को recognition मिले, whether it is the intake, eligibility, education, recognition, licensing, standardization, all of this should be taken care of. But sir, for the last 3 years it is not being implemented. I said, how is it possible? An act passed by parliament has not been implemented yet. I said, no. So we took up the matter. कोर्ट नंबर 1 सुप्रीम कोर्ट में यह मैटर पहले आया. we started. पहले तो मैटर उठना मुश्किल, उठ जाए तो बोर्ड में आना मुश्किल, बोर्ड पे आ जाए तो by the end of the day being heard is difficult. So finally, after mentioning before the Honorable Chief Justice, then Chief Justice, Justice Chandrachud, he listed the matter. And the day the matter came, the government from the other side said, sir, please give us some time, we will come back, we don't have the information. फिर मैटर आगे चला गया, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख. And finally, we beseeched before the Honorable Chief Justice of India in Court 1, Supreme Court, saying, sir, this is a travesty of justice. For 3 years, a law passed by the Parliament is not being enacted, and our healthcare professionals are not being recognized. Standardization, eligibility, all of that is not done. Finally, I must thank the former Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. He was so kind, he said, next date, whatever comes, we will give definitive orders, Dr. Patra. And true to his word, today he is not the Chief Justice anymore, but true to his word, the then Chief Justice, on the day ये जो matter आई थी Supreme Court के court number 1 में, we appealed, we argued. On the other side, the government again asked for time. But thanks to the government, thanks to the Supreme Court and the Honorable Chief Justice, he said no, I will pass definitive orders. आपने वो definitive orders देखे हैं? पढ़े हैं आप लोगों ने? For the first time in 3 years, directions were passed that it must be implemented by October. And the government of India has to take cognizance of the matter. बैकग्राउंड ये है क्योंकि मैं वकील हूं आप लोगों का, इसलिए मुझे बुला लिया चीफ गेस्ट करके. कोई सांसद वांसद नहीं हूं, इस वजह से नहीं बुलाया गया है. Now what is the way forward? मैं कोई भाषण नहीं दूंगा, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, इसके ऊपर कोई चर्चा नहीं करूंगा. What is the way forward? यहां से हम कहां जाएंगे? From here where? या फिर ऐसे ही आएंगे, बैठेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे, बातचीत करेंगे, we will talk, discuss, sit, have lunch, have dinner, think, how do we take it forward, and we keep on fighting. I'd like to provide you 3 simple steps in which I am willing to walk with you. The first step, Supreme Court. मामला कोर्ट में लंबित था, आज भी है, ऐसा नहीं dispose of हो गया है. The matter is still there. Compliance has been sought, and as I understand, compliance has been filed by the government. So one way of doing it is we again raise the matter. We say, despite the Honorable Supreme Court directing the union and the states, the implementation is slow, it is not appropriate, it is inadequate, and the national healthcare professionals are not only being deprived of their right under the Act, but the people of this country, 1.4 billion people, are being deprived from having a proper law being implemented that will save lives. I agree. I'm very grateful today, and I agree with every statement that was made by Professor Dr. Harish Bhemde ji when he said that jitni machines aa jaye, nothing can equal the human intelligence of all of you and your colleagues across this country. It cannot. Because machines give an outcome, but the interpretation is always that of the human. And that is why you will always be required, and you are more important than the machines that give us an outcome. So one is the Supreme Court route, and I am with you, we are with you, the entire association is with you. We will continue to raise it, and we will see how we can take up the adequate legal recourse and again approach and again raise this matter. Second, the health ministry. I'm willing to work with your association and see how we can get a delegation to go and meet the Honorable Union Minister of Health, Shri J.P. Nadda ji, The parliament session starts on 25th of November. It goes up to 20th of December. इस दौरान अगर आपके association appropriate feel करे or during the budget session from February, whenever you are ready, I will organize your meeting with the Honorable Union Minister for Health. We will go. Nadda ji is a very sensitive, a very competent and a very dynamic minister. And I'm very confident that under his leadership, many of these issues that are still pending, we can find ways of doing it. The third is regarding states. Along with your association, I'm willing to write to various states in my capacity as a parliamentarian to see that where are these implementations lagging, to talk to their resident commissioners. हर state का एक resident commissioner है यहाँ दिल्ली में. To raise issues with them and see how we can keep pushing. बोलते रहेंगे. उड़िया में एक कहावत है. कोई उड़ीसा से है यहाँ पर? Anyone from Odisha? उड़ीसा रू आपण आसचंती. उड़िया में एक कहावत है. पिल्ला न कांदिले मां भी खीरो दिए नहीं. It means जब तक बच्चा नहीं रोता है मां भी दूध नहीं पिलाती है. उसको कैसे पता चलेगा कि भैया बच्चे को दूध चाहिए? बच्चा रोता है तो बोलती है अरे बच्चा रो रहा है दूध दे दो. तो वैसे ही हमें अपनी आवाज को उठाते रहना चाहिए in various forums. लोगों को जताते रहना चाहिए, whether at the judiciary level, whether at the government level, whether at the parliament level, till whatever is rightfully ours is received. Are you with us? इसलिए कोई लंबा भाषण नहीं, 3 outcomes हैं, 3 काम हैं, and these 3 activities we'll have to do together. I'm willing to walk with you. I'm willing to work with you. I have been walking and working with you, and I'll just say one thing, that you are actually the lifesavers along with the doctors and the nurses. Everybody says that when COVID happened, you were the warriors who saved us. No, you save lives every day. Because you take the samples, you test the samples, you ensure. It is for the doctor to look at. A brother of mine, he is a doctor. And he's done his MD in biochemistry and he's there. So I keep on understanding about the labs and the equipments that all of you use. But at the end of the day, I always say that irrespective of whatever it happens, that decimal point being at the rightful place is more important than is the interpretation of the doctor. The doctor will interpret what you provide as a medical lab technician or a laboratory professional. So I believe each one of you, your voices are not going unheard. We will work together, and we have made some strides in 2023 with the Supreme Court, so 2024 in the Supreme Court judgment, but the way is still ahead, and we'll keep on marching forward. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Thank you, sir. That was motivating. We heartfully thank our special dignitaries to have accepted our invitation amidst their busy schedule. As a token of appreciation and gratitude,